Okay, independent client, customer Byrd. This is the Kedron Road project. Okay, take a look here. We are at the plumbing stage. We're not at the electrical yet, but we are at plumbing. Give you some idea here. We do have a vent in the floor here. We're going off the assumption that they're using the 3.5-inch wide moldings around the windows and doors. All the window moldings and stuff are figured at 3.5-inch Craftsman style moldings. Take a look here at this corner entry pantry. This is a 28-inch wall here, 33-inch wall there, 33 3/4, and then 28-inch wall here. On this one, the center of that box is 18 inches from the left. The entire wall, 159 inches from that corner all the way to this door trim is 159, but we have a vent in the floor here. So we have 146 inches of cabinet max that we can use there. That vent is going to be inside of 100 or outside of 146 inches. It looks like we are looking at a 9-foot ceiling height. Yeah, the ceiling height in this one is a 9-foot ceiling height. And let's go over here to this side. Now, also accounting for sheetrock, this is 22 3/4 of an inch with a 3.5-inch molding around the window. The window itself is 42 1/4. And then to the left of the window, there's 43 inches of space from the window trim to the door trim. And again, that's counting for 3.5-inch trim. Now, in this layout, that's an 80-inch patio door with trim. So in this layout, there's actually an island, and there is no cutouts or any kind of electrical here yet. It's probably all under the floor for that. But this is a hugely wide open room, so that island will fit in here, no issue at all as far as the spacing for the island. Of course, the drawing is showing the sink being center line of the window, showing the dishwasher to the left of the window. Let's take a look here. Showing the refrigerator in the corner, and showing the showing the refrigerator to the right. So the refrigerator has actually been moved to the corner, and then it looks like we're going to center the stove up in that space there between the end of the run and the end of the refrigerator. And that's a good look too, as far as having the heavy stuff in the corner. Okay, let's take a look at this bath over here in the guest bath area. This is a wall-to-wall vanity. As you can see, wall-to-wall. The drain is dead center. This is this vanity here. It is 63 3/4 of an inches, left to right, and it will be centered on that space. Take a look here at the half bath. This is the hallway leading to the master bath, right off the main room. Half bath here. Center line of the plumbing is at 14.5 inches to the right-hand side, but when I pull here from the center of the toilet flange, 15, there's only 27 inches of space here. So what we're going to need to do on this one, it is right here. What we're going to need to do on this one's a 25-inch vanity or a pedestal lavatory. And it looks like it's showing pedestal. It's got the little oval. But if it is a pedestal, this spread is wrong because it should be tighter than that to go behind the leg. So that is something to check with the plumber and to see whether this is going to be a freestanding cabinet or if it's going to be a pedestal or a furniture lavatory. No wider, though, than 27 inches because of where the floor flange for the actual toilets ended up. We need to be at least 15 inches center line for that floor flange. Take a look here in the master bath. Now, the first thing you'll notice in the master bath is you actually have a pocket door that's not installed yet, and that's usually done right as they start to do the sheetrock work, so no big deal. We do have some elbows that have come through the bottom plate, not a problem. We'll cut them out of the back of the cabinets to make that access in the back. One thing to show you on this, right here, so you can see the actual cabinet layout shows a 24-inch deep pantry or linen cabinet to the left of a 21-inch deep vanity cabinet. Well, you have 80 inches on the left. From the return of that corner to the edge of this trim is 80 inches of space. And this is set up at 20 inches off the center line from the edge of the door trim, okay? Now this side over here, same thing, shows the exact same layout. Right there. That's the one in front of the tub, 81 inches. And it shows, again, a linen cabinet on the right, and there's plenty of room there for that to the trim of the door. And then it shows here a regular base cabinet, doors or drawers on both sides. Now this one is 24 inches from the edge of the door trim, but again, should not be a problem between the two lengths. Let's take a look at one thing right here, just to double check on that material. Yeah, you're going to have about a ½ an inch or so if we do 24. Probably need to do a 21 inch deep pantry at both ends to make sure we don't have any problems touching any of the moldings on the windows. All right, let's take a look at laundry room. And this is a neat one. It's got the slide door here. Here's the closet. And then right here, we're back in the laundry room, which is a nice little feature. Here on this side, it looks like in the original drawing that they had the laundry washer and dryer pair over here on the left corner. But now when we're in the actual room, the washer dryer pair is actually being moved to this wall here. Okay, so the washing machine from the corner is here, and the dryer from the corner, I'm assuming, is going to be on the right-hand side. It may be on the left. We need to verify this measurement and placement for these two pieces. We also need to verify whether it's a top load or a front load washing machine. If it is a top load washing machine, we need to get the height of the top of the lid off of the specs to make sure our cabinets are not too low. Turn the corner. Here in the corner here, you actually have, it's 125 inches to the side of the door trim where the washer dryer is. It's 45.5 from the corner to the door, the trim of the window. It's 42.5 from window trim to window trim, and it's 46 behind the window into the corner. That space there is 46. Turn the corner, you have 124 inches on the other wall. From the corner to the edge of the door trim is 124 inches. And again, we just need to get with them since we've got to change a plan and find out how we want to lay out this room for the cabinetry that's in here. Now, otherwise, everything else lines out. We're ready to design this and order cabinets. I'm going to leave a sample cabinet here in the Java Wellborn Forest finish. I'm going to leave it over here in the kitchen area under the window. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. We're going to go ahead and draw these with a top alignment of 96 inches and a upper 42-inch cabinet on a 9-foot ceiling wall. Thanks very much. Have a great day.